In July 2021, it was reported that Dua Lipa and her boyfriend purchased a new love nest to call home. The treehouse-style abode is located at the top of a hill surrounded by greenery in Studio City, Los Angeles. It cost the pop star $2.5 million, was built in 1953, restored in 1996, and features a modern cabin look. While this estate is an exciting milestone for the couple, when she's not on the West Coast, Dua also has an airy home in London, England, which we've seen glimpses of on social media. In this video, we'll check out her beautiful homes, and we even found the listings. In these videos, we don't reveal any addresses, and even though I've done a house tour of my own place, please do not show up at any private residences because it's not safe for anyone. Dua Lipa is a singer and songwriter who hails from London, England. After working as a model, Dua signed with Warner Brothers Records in 2015 and released her debut album in 2017, which was a clear hit with 8 singles. The album went platinum in multiple countries worldwide and won her some awards, making her one of the biggest pop stars out there today. As you probably know, Dua has been in a relationship with the youngest Hadid sibling, Anwar Hadid, for quite some time now. While buying a home together is usually a big deal for couples, living together will be nothing new for these two. Just months after Dua and Anwar began dating in 2019, they rented a New York City apartment together, and it's not the first time Dua has relocated to be closer to her man in Los Angeles. Considering the pop star has amassed herself an estimated net worth of $16 million or more, and her success is only climbing, it's no surprise that she can afford properties in two of the priciest locations, LA and London. Hey everyone, I'm Kara the Vampire Slayer, bringing you another exclusive house tour here on Famous Entertainment. You guys requested this one, so we're taking a look at where Dua Lipa calls home. If you haven't already, be sure to subscribe and ring that bell for notifications because we post brand new content daily. As always, you can follow me over on Instagram to chat, and now let's get into this video. As I mentioned, Dua Lipa and her man Anwar reportedly just invested in their first home together in Studio City, Los Angeles, and it's literally a love nest. The treehouse-style abode is not only located at the top of a hill and surrounded by trees and greenery, it's also decked out in wood to give off a unique cabin vibe. The home costs $2.5 million, and it's rumored that Anwar actually laid out the funds to buy the place, but either way, it's theirs now. Studio City is a Los Angeles neighborhood just over the hill from Hollywood, but one that's slightly quieter, offering tree-lined residential streets and trendy spots to dine. Here you're close to Ventura Boulevard as well as Williker Park if you're in the mood for hiking and views of the valley. Dua and Anwar's new digs were originally built in 1953 for Theodore and Helen Tyler, which gave the estate its name Tyler House. But it's changed hands several times before it was sold in 1993 for only $400K to photographer Peter Tangent. The home was designed by John Lautner and has been restored since. In the 90s, while Peter owned the place, he assembled a team of architects to complete a full restoration down to the studs of the house, but keeping Lautner's original design intact. These renovations included adding 4 skylights and expanding the living room with stunning 10-foot-high operating windows. The young couple's home is up on a hill on a secluded piece of land, offering plenty of privacy, shielded by tall oak and eucalyptus trees. While the home is pretty unassuming in terms of size, it spans only 1,400 square feet of space, it makes up for with the super cool architectural features. Dua's striking new home boasts 2 beds and 2 baths, keeping things simple, and it's been described as a residential gem. Listing materials explain Lautner's vision while designing the place. He made the plan for the house up with 3 equilateral triangles, and the vibe of the house was essentially made to blend with the surrounding nature. Dua and Anwar's abode is made of redwood and glass and has interiors that gently lead up the steep lot. There are floor-to-ceiling wood walls in the main living area and plenty of glass for a seamless indoor-outdoor experience. The open-plan living and dining room will make you feel like you're right in the trees. A paved driveway takes you up to Dua and Anwar's home, while there's an attached carport on the lower level with space for 2 vehicles. The entrance of the home is wood-framed, as you might expect, and opens to a mini staircase up to the main living room. The cantilevered space boasts a brick fireplace, exposed wood beams, and full walls of glass, making the room bright and airy. This room adjoins the charming kitchen that may be quaint but still packs in the best quality features. The kitchen has been updated to include high-end stainless steel appliances and green tiled countertops, while keeping the original cabinets and built-in shelves. It's no doubt that Dua and Anwar could prep a romantic dinner at home in this forest retreat. Nearby, you'll find a skylit dining area with original shelving unit and more wood-paneled walls. The bedrooms are equally wood-paneled as the rest of the home, and one of the 2 bathrooms offers a green-tiled shower and sink topped with built-in cabinets. The other bathroom is also pretty vibrant, as this one is decked out in bright blue tiles, including a large blue-tiled shower topped with a skylight. Moving outside, unfortunately, this LA crib is lacking a swimming pool, but the grassy yard does have enough space to entertain friends and family if Dua and Anwar feel like hosting a housewarming. There's a carved out gathering area that works for alfresco dining or even a peaceful meditation session. While we don't know the exact specifications of Dua's home in London, England, we have seen many glimpses of the place thanks to her social media. According to records, her home here is a semi-detached abode boasting 2 bedrooms and worth about £1.2 million. From the open backyard to the skylights, Dua's home combines charming features like exposed brick with open, airy elements and modern details. From what we've seen on Instagram, Dua's London house opens through cute and classic wrought iron gate surrounded by hedges. A short paved walkway leads up to her porch that has black and white mosaic floors, while the exterior is brick. Inside, there are white walls trimmed with emerald tiles where Dua has had some photo shoots. Moving into her home, there's a spacious living room that offers an exposed brick wall, which seems to be Dua's usual backdrop for pics and Zoom calls, as well as a slanted ceiling with skylight. On one side of the room, there's a massive glass slider that almost spans the entire wall, bringing in natural light, while this leads out to a small garden. There's a plush gray couch with multicolored quilts in the living room, along with a large flat-screen TV. Dua's living room has a cozy yet airy feel with wood floors, white walls, and views of the greenery. The pop star's kitchen, which is next to the living room, follows a contemporary vibe. Here, there are forest green cabinets, marble counters, and a small kitchen island with black bar-style seats. During the pandemic last year, Dua Lipa treated herself to some self-care, especially in her spa-style bathroom. She posted some of her luxurious baths on her Instagram, and we can see she has an ivory marble tub surrounded by mirrored walls and spotlights. Outside, she has an open backyard with a cute private garden, including wildflowers and even an outhouse. There is a paved terrace in the middle featuring red patio furnishings, and you can often spot the pop star sunbathing back here when the weather and her busy schedule allows. Alright, so now we've taken a look at where Dua Lipa calls home. This includes her new cabin in the woods in Studio City, Los Angeles, as well as what we know about her London residence. What did you guys think about her new LA pad she's living at with Anwar? Is it what you would expect from the star? I personally thought it was pretty humble, but I guess for a starter pad, it's perfect. Not to mention the views of the trees they get from in there. Before I wrap up this video, I'm gonna be reading out some of your comments. I love hearing what you guys have to say, so be sure to keep them coming. These are from our recent Kanye house tour. Cynthia Kendrick wrote, "Wow, what a place. The ceiling opens and a beautiful ranch, but I couldn't do the helicopters after Kobe Bryant. Privacy is everything to me, so I imagine someone that's famous would desire that as well. Beautiful place. I grew up on a farm, so I could so do this place. Best of luck to you, Kanye." I actually really love his sprawling ranch as well. It must be so inspiring and peaceful to be out in the open space like that. And the Muscle Donut Road. Abundance all around in Wyoming. If you guys want me to shout out your comments, don't forget to tell me what you liked or didn't like about Dua Lipa's homes. Thanks for watching. Go ahead and follow me on Instagram if you'd like to chat, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye!